Tara, let's explore Godzilla and Lego stores in Taiwan.
Hi guys, I'm Julius.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time.
Welcome to our travel vlog. Hello mga kalakwatsa! Let's continue our Taiwan trip.
Now, we're going to Lego store for Theodore. Nakakatuwa dito kasi maraming mga parang mga footbridge connected na siya para hindi kayo mabasa ng ulan lalo na ngayon ng bulan. Today's Theo's Day. Dahil after namin pumunta sa Taipei 101, we should not miss Lego and Godzilla stores dito sa Taiwan.
Welcome to Taiwan!
Welcome to Taiwan! Grabe, turista talaga.
According to Google, 8 minutes walk lang ang nearest Lego store from Taipei 101.
Nandito na tayo mga kalakwatsa sa third floor ng Far Eastern Department Store Xinyi A13 Store. At syempre, ayan na si Theo, enjoying the Lego around.
Nakaka-amaze ang mga Lego displays. May bubble tea Lego, Lego Friends, at syempre may Taiwan Lego displays. Sayang lang, wala kaming nakitang Taipei 101 na Lego for Theo.
Kahit wala yung Taipei 101 Lego na plano naming bilhin, nag-enjoy na lang kami sa interactive Lego characters, especially si Theo sa mga free-to-play Lego blocks.
Fun fact! In 2017, Taiwan became home to one of Asia's largest Lego certified stores when the first official Lego certified store opened in Taipei. Hi Elsa, do you want to do snowman? Do you want to do snowman?
Ang galing, very detailed si Elsa. After sa Lego store, lipat naman tayo sa Shinkong Michukoshi Shinyi Place A11, which is 3 minutes away from the Lego store. Dito na tayo sa third floor. Theo meets Godzilla! Asan na ito na? Oh my gosh! Oh my Godzilla minus one! Oh my gosh!
Picture ka, B!
Amazing! Amazement on his face!
Fun fact! The store was the first official permanent Godzilla store outside of Japan. Part of Toho's Asia expansion strategy tied to Godzilla's 70th anniversary. A huge deal for fans in the region.
Para sa mga Godzilla fans, maaaliw kayo sa dami ng Godzilla toys na may iba't ibang versions. Pati kalaban ni Godzilla, nandito din. Like Theodore, pwede kayong bumili rito. Sa A11, na? A11 Mall. Third floor A11 Mall. May slippers na Godzilla.
Got the slipper?
Yes.
Wow.
Hindi lang toys ang makikita sa store na ito. May iba't ibang merch din tulad ng shirt, cups, lunchbox, keychains at marami pa. Mag-i-enjoy kayo dito lalo ng mga batang mahilig sa Godzilla.
Now can we get a bigger bag? Because we have the blushing. Which one? Oh, this
The longer.
This
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Wait. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Where can we do the tax refund?
Wait,
If you want, I can take it there. Can you take us there? Thank you.
You can have the leg this. Thank you so much, Theo. Here's your
Thank you.
Okay, again. If you want to claim tax refund in store, check if they have dedicated tax refund counters. Pero if wala, you can take your paperwork to the airport for a refund before you check in your luggage. Papunta nga po kami sa lugar kung saan kami magta-tax refund dahil naka more than 2,000 po kami.
Nandito tayo for tax refund, di ba? When you buy something here, within the 24 hours or within the day that you bought something, pwede kayo magpa-tax refund. Nakuha na namin yung refund. It's 3.8% from the total amount. Over 2,000 ang pwede nilang tax refund. Ang bilis na ng process, nakuha agad namin.
Tapos dapat the same building, right?
Yes, the same building dapat yung tax refund. Example, bumili kayo sa first floor ng item, second floor. So, pwede nyo accumulate. Pag nag-total na siya ng more than 2,000, then you can apply for a tax refund.
Okay.
At syempre, sa Taiwan, napakadaming quirky photo booths na worth it i-try. Between 100 to 300 NTD siya, depending sa designs at styles ng photo booth. Ito train naman na photo booth. Hi! Grabe, ang ganda ng ano nila, parang Christmas na oh. Si Daming Zoo!
Sakay naman tayo ng bus pabalik sa hotel mga kalakwatsa. Tito tips! Use Easy Card when taking the bus. Don't forget to tap your card when you board and when you get off the bus. Google Maps works well, but locals often use Bus Plus and Taipei E-Bus. They show live arrival times which are usually very accurate. At press the red stop button to signal the driver that you are getting up on the next stop.
Dito na tayo guys! Lakad naman tayo papuntang Simindeng. Habang naglalakad, mapapansin ang ganda ng Taipei during the night dahil sa mga kulay na LED lights on the streets from different buildings.
Inabutan kami ng ulan pa uwi. Kaya mga kalakwatsa, don't forget to bring an umbrella while traveling.
Who's that, Theo?
This Godzilla is Shin Godzilla.
Oh, where did you get the Shin Godzilla?
It's Godzilla store.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Very
We
happy.
already go to Godzilla store.
Yes! We're happy for Theo! 1 year of planning! Back to Siminding! Nag-crave kami ng bubble tea bago bumalik sa hotel. So hanap muna tayo ng milk tea shop.
Mga kalakwatsa, dito tayo sa Coco mag-milk tea. Alam nyo ba, Coco is a bubble tea brand from Taiwan that started in 1997 in Tamsui. They're known for fresh, handshaking tea with yummy toppings like boba, jelly, and pudding.
Original pala ang Coco from Taiwan. Amazing. Tsaka mura lang siya. Tignan mo, like 55 lang yung milk, yung ano nila mga tea.
But you know, Coco is famous in our country.
Ay, jumping.
Ay, natin sa'yo.
Ciao, taste test.
Ang sarap.
Ano in order mo?
Peach top nila.
Oh.
Peach special.
Magkano, Chow?
75.
Oh.
Mommy, I can jump.
Tamis?
Sarap. Hindi, normal lang.
So dito sa kanila, merong level of sugar.
Parang Philippines din. Pero masarap. Kasi kaso wala silang mga milk tea talaga.
Mm. Meron ako yung in-order ko is
Pero
black
masarap,
tea
refreshing
latte pearl fresh milk.
Fresh milk.
Oh, number 5.
No, no, no.
Eh,
Parang sikat kayo eh. May bula-bula sa yun. Yung nga sa'yo.
No, no.
yes.
This is a tropical
Mommy.
special. It's a passion fruit. Mm. Same siya sa Philippines.
Sarap.
Medyo mataas yung tamis niya.
Ay, kasi ilang percent yung pinili mo?
Parang masarap yan.
Okay.
So lagi, ito yung laging in-order ko rin sa baby.
Ah.
Siya.
Fruit tea.
75 lang.
Oh. Medyo mas mura siya dito, no?
Mm.
Must try.
Sa Philippines, magkakawa.
So I got my tea for tonight, black tea latte with pearl. Sabi ni ate is fresh milk daw ito. Let's taste it. This is only for 75 pesos. Large na siya, oh.
Not pesos.
Ay, 75 NTD pala.
Taiwan dollar.
Mm.
Sarap.
Medyo ganito yung mga milk tea lang sa Pilipinas.
Mm.
Masarap, matamis siya. Ito yung swak sa lasa ng Pinoy. Yung, kasi di ba yung mahilig sa matamis. So this is sweet enough. Sa Coco nag-aas sila ng level ng sugar, no?
Yeah. Nag-aas din naman sila kaso pinaregular na namin.
Ang sarap.
Okay.
Tama lang yung tsaa at saka yung tamis. Must try. Dance showdown with Theo and Tito Julius naman.
Hi. Wait. Hi.
After mag-bubble tea, maglaro naman tayo ng claw machines. Fun fact, alam nyo ba? In Taiwan, claw machine arcades are everywhere. Some streets even have multiple 24-hour claw shops. You can even win not only plush toys, but also snacks, electronics,
Hold Tito Julius
cosmetics,
milk tea.
and more.
Ayun na, ayun na.
Ooh.
Ay!
Nope.
Sayang, T. At syempre,
Oh,
Tio has to try.
One press only, and then...
Thank you sa pagsama today, mga kalakwatsa. Watch out for more Taiwan vlogs. To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Check out these videos for more travel adventures.